So for solving the problem, the Windows 7 BlueStack 3 libcef.dll loading error. For this problem, simply you need to download the simply DLL file and your problem will be fixed 100%. Now on the official DLL website, simply go over there. Now find the latest version for your operating system. If you are using the architecture 32-bit, download this one. If you are using 64-bit, then download this one. If you don't know, just right click on your this PC and then go into the properties. You will see here the 64-bit or 32-bit, whichever you are using right now. You just need to configure this and then simply you need to download this one. Here is 64-bit. I'm downloading 64-bit. Now it will take around a few seconds, around 4-5 seconds, and your download will start automatically. Now it's 23.0 MB. Once it's finished, just show in folders, extract in the same library folders. It's easy to find. Simply copy this file from here, then go into the C drive again, Windows, and here you need to find the system WOW64. Just open this one and paste it over here, and if it is already available, just replace it, otherwise just continue, and that's it. Your problem will be fixed 100%. If still you have any question, just let me know, and don't forget to subscribe this YouTube channel. Have a good day. Bye bye.